Welcome to Lady Dynamite Creates. I have a very important announcement. 3D printed shoes are finally available in my Etsy shop. The shoes will be sold in sets, and they will have their supports removed, but they will require a little bit of sanding before you can customize them. Here is a sample of how the shoes will look when they arrive. I have the sandal set that come in a wedge and a stiletto. Then I have the pointed toe set that comes in a wedge and stiletto. The rounded toe set that is a wedge and a stiletto. The shoe base set so that you can customize whatever you want. And the specialty set, which comes with the curl-toed shoes, the butterfly-backed sandals, and the rounded toe skull shoes. And here I'm going to show just how easy they are to clean up. The butterfly set is probably the one that has the most supports on it, so that's what I'm going to show, and nothing has been cut here. It has only been sped up. I'm just using a fine grit sandpaper, and periodically I will take and rub my finger across the surface just to make sure that there are no more rough edges. And then for the harder to get areas, I just use a emery board that I've cut down. The fit of these shoes are designed to be for a doll with no socks or any kind of pantyhose on. They will fit if the tight is very, very thin, but if you try to put them on with something too thick, you could crack and break the shoe. Because these shoes are made of a hard resin and not the soft pliable plastics that normal doll shoes are made out of, they do have to go on a certain way. And you can see here I'm angling my toes away from the point of the toe and sliding it in. This is the only way to get the doll's foot in and out of the shoe without breaking the shoes. And to prep the shoes before painting, I give them a quick shot of spray primer in black. And here I'm going to show just a few ways of customizing these shoes. Here I've painted these sandals in white. And then I later go in with a little bit of glue onto the sandal strap, and then I add in some of the nail caviar for a neat look. And on these black shoes, I'm just going in with a little bit of the Dragon Skin color shifting paint, and these are honestly probably my favorite pair. I just really love this paint. These sandals just get a little bit of bling. They've been painted in a glitter paint and they're getting some rhinestones across the strap. And because I must hate myself, I decided to coat a pair entirely in glitter. Just a little bit of Mod Podge down on the base of the shoe and then pour out the glitter. And I'm still finding glitter on every surface in my house. Then the curl-toed shoes can also be trimmed down just a hair and have puffballs added to the tips. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. And I am holding a contest to win a set of these shoes, so if you would like to enter, just leave a comment below. Please make sure to read in the description box all the rules, and I will be announcing a winner in the next video. Remember, always be creating!